I don't have a girlfriend, I have a wife, and we may not be married just yet, but she is my wife. I love her more than anything, and she will always be mine no matter what. She is perfect, perfect for me and only me. She is mine, and I will make sure of it. She is my very special, sweet girl and my favorite person. Our connection is unique, a bond that transcends labels. The love we share is deep, genuine, and unwavering. She compliments me in ways no one else can. She's the one I turn to for support, laughter, and comfort. With her by my side, life feels complete, and each day is filled with joy and love. We may not have exchanged vows yet, but we've committed our hearts and souls to each other. Our love story is in progress, and I cherish every chapter. With her, I found a partner, confidant, and friend for life. She is my rock, my muse, and my true love. I look forward to the day when we make it official, but